The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) has announced that the by-election for Masvingo Urban Ward 7 will be held on Saturday, September 13. The seat became vacant following the death of Councillor Tafara Masimba. Sanabena mashoko ari kuda panguva inoi tichiona kuti ZEC inoschedula Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election. Panguva inoi chionekwa kunzi it is going to be conducted on September 13. Very subscribe or like on the bell icon. Nyika matiri kuona kuti by-elections panguva inoi ZANU-PF is sweeping all the seats, and in some situations ichitohwina iri uncontested. Vana vaZim airi kudanjira chiti according to an election notice issued by ZEC in line with the Electoral Act, Chapter 2, 13. By-elections will also be conducted on the same day in Marondera, Municipality Ward 9, and Makondero District Council Ward 8, both of which became vacant following the deaths of sitting councillors. The nomination courts will also sit at the respective council centers, with the Masvingo at the Civic Center on August 14 from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., said ZEC. Tomashoko and Abdinopwane ZEC Pangwa in Panokokonze. Right now, because Zimbabwe people, they're not turning out to go in vote. They now know that even people who represent them, Pangwa Inoy, they're no longer speaking out. And they know that even if they vote, the election can be flawed. And Pangwa Inoi people, they've demonstrated it from 2018, 2023. Wachiona kunzi awa the votes they cast, Pangwa Inoi is not going to represent them. Mashoko ari kuda Pangwa Inoi, vatoona kuti Pangwa Inoi nyika yeZimbabwe, people they are crying. And Pangwa Inoi, everyone is remained silent. Pakuda kunasa kuonekwa kunzi, what can people do? What are other strategies can they do? Awa to fight this regime. Bina comment section medu mbotu za mafunguro enyu matukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.